So today might be the day.
Oh my God, I need people.
All right. So today might be the day that I walk up because I'm tired. I'm tired. My hair, ill. Oh my gosh, ill. And everything that I've done, ill. And I'm tired. So today might be the day. So yeah, I've been thinking about locking up for some time now. But the last 2 years has really been messing with me because 2020, my hair was flourishing. Chef's kiss. Bro, look at the material. Look at my puff. It's so healthy. After that, toilet, garbage, basura. Oh my gosh. In shambles. Look, ew. What are we talking about here? So, I think today might be the day that I install my own micro locks. I'm very much nervous, yes. That's why I said might. It might happen, it might not. Because I've watched YouTube videos, so I am knowledgeable. But can I do it is the question. Can I do it?
Let's do this thing. 3, 2, 1.
Can I
5,
think about it?
4, 3, 2.
Let
Now,
me think
now,
about it.
now.
Think about
Say it. Do it
I'm
now.
thinking about
Do
it.
it now.
I'm thinking.
Do it.
I do 2 stern twists because that's my game plan. But parting is a deficiency that I have. You know? I want crispy lines. I also don't want to sit here for 30 hours. But I'm willing to if it's for the greater good of my head. Insanity, because I can't do this anymore. I just want to be a baddie. That's it. Low maintenance baddie. That's it. Help me. Someone. So, I'm going to wash it, blow dry it, and then see how I'm feeling later today. Okay?
2 hours later.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is so one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love.
I'm gonna take a break. Washing my hair took a toll on my life. Boy, I am tired. To be honest, I don't think this is happening. I'm taking way too much breaks, and it's 4 o'clock. I'm not staying up to finish this. It's not happening. I gotta get it done before Monday. This is my ingredients for all of the shenanigans. My hands are actually not done. I just washed my hair. And then this is me. Oh my gosh. And then I have another mirror here. But we're about to go blow dry real quick and come back. This is the poorest blow dry job I've done yet, but I don't care. And you see these ends? Oh my god, yes, we're locking up because no. I can't do it anymore. I've been cutting my hair for like 5 months straight and it still looks like this. So no, we're doing it. Okay, so I broke it up for a little bit. My setup is real judge your mother. But here goes the back of my hair. So far. It's not a grid per se. Like I did a grid, but I didn't do it really well. So you know, I'm here off vibes, but I have sectioned out my hair to make it make sense. And I'm gonna go, well, I'm gonna do this side first because I don't want to keep moving the mirror back and forth, and then move over to this side, which may not be beneficial for me for tomorrow because I have things to do. But you know, we're here. We're gonna figure it out. But look, girl, I got length a little bit. I got length a little bit. I might cut it to make it even, but I got length a little bit. Look at me.
It's not that I don't want you here.
I'm tired. And I'm eating Trader Joe's
I know that I don't make it.
plantain chips and drinking wine.
I fall for you every time I try.
Smells to me. But
I'm just this rude.
I'm halfway done. I have this little bit for this side of my heads. And then I'm going to sleep because it's 12 o'clock. This took me like 4 hours. Bro, I know I'm doing a terrible job of keeping you updated, but this is what I got. I'm tired, boss. I'm about to quit.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for every. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
Let me find out. It's the closest y'all gonna get because this was chaotic. But we're here. It took me, I started at like 8:30, like actually twisting my hair. And I ended at 5:30. So whatever math that is, that's how long it took me. I took a few breaks and I was watching shows. My setup was ghetto as hell, but we made it through. We're here. Hopefully I stick it through. Can't wait until my bun starts bunning. Listen, I'm gonna be a problem. I'm foreshadowing it now. Because if I look this cute now.
Oh wow.